Hello, welcome back to Datamind. This channel for these things, Excel, data analysis, and more. I am thrilled to have you here today as we track a common issue that many Excel users encounter, which is circular reference error that seemingly does not exist. So don't worry, we have got you covered in this tutorial. We will explore why this error happens and share effective solution to resolve this. So let's dive right in. So first, you should know what are the circular reference error. Before we delve into resolving this error, let's first understand what circular reference error actually. In Excel, a circular reference occurs when a formula refers back to cells it's already into a create a loop with other cell. Normally, Excel identify and alter about the circular reference. But what if you are getting circular reference error for formula that does not seem to have any circular reference at all? So let's find out. There is several common causes of the false circular reference error. One of that conditional formatting, and another one is hidden formulas or linked workbook, and sometimes it's happened the iterate circulation option. So you should find out the circular reference easily. So in this sheet there is a circular reference. When I am opening this sheet, it's notify this message. So we just try to find out which sheet actually affected by circular reference. So for that, you just go to your formulas tab in the Excel ribbon tabs and go to the track dependent. In the track dependent, you will find the circular reference option, and here you may see the on or more circular reference. In this workbook, there is a one sheet where a circular reference happened. So click this sheet. Excel automatically track you this sheet, and you will find the reference related sheet. So you again go to your circular reference options, and here now we just see it's happening at column S and 82 number rows. So this is our column S and 82 number rows. That's mean it is the circular reference. In this formula, you see the self cell is multiplied by 12. That's mean it's never be possible the self cell multiplied by any argument. So you should remove that formula or correction it. Maybe I should correct it. So that is, so again you check any reference, that has any another reference which is double a column. So you just click here and it automatically track this cell. So this same thing, I just correct it and I check it again, and here find the another cell is 82. Okay, so there is 82 and resolve these issues right now. Okay, so finally again you checked your trace dependent, and there is a no circular reference showing here. So sometimes you should check your conditional formatting, where you may adjust these formatting rules and formulas to eliminate any circular reference conflicts. Sometime you should review your linked workbook if any sheet with linked with another workbook, and it may also happen with circular reference. So lastly, we will tackle the iterative circular setting that obtain the trigger false circular reference error. We will guide you through this process, adjust these settings and resolve this issue once and for all. So hopefully you solved your issue. Maybe you have successfully learned how to resolve circular reference error in Excel. Remember, this error can be quite plaguing, but armed with the knowledge we have shared today, you can confidently troubleshoot and fix them whenever this type of issue is arised. So thank you so much for joining us in this tutorial on Datamind. We hope you found it valuable and that it will save you the countless hours of frustration. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and colleagues so they might be know about that, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update videos.